Hey everybody, here's a tool I probably should have bought a long time ago. These are exhaust removal pliers, but they're really what they are is they have rubber hangers like this. Here's a picture they show on the back of them using it, but this is a EHR383 Matco, but this is made by Lisle Tool Corp, and the part number for theirs is a 38350. So here is the pair of pliers. I'm going to show you how they work. I'm going to pass the camera over to G Junior. You got it? Yeah. So these are basically the exhaust hangers on a lot of cars, Toyotas, Hondas, America cars. They're all over the place. So they have like an arrow so they won't fall off. They're very hard to get off. So you should always spray it with penetrating oil, which I already have. So what you do is you take the tool and you shove it there, and you shove it there, and then you just squeeze the tool and it pulls them off that easy. We used to take a pry bar and get up there and pry on them, What a pain in the butt. This tool makes pulling these rubber insulators off really easy. They vary in price. You can buy them on Amazon. You can get them from your tool dealer. Really good tool if you're doing exhaust work. I should have bought them probably 10 years ago because I know they've been around forever. All right, everybody, I'm gonna leave it there. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.